Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this super delicious rosemary lemon chicken. So for this recipe, I used olive oil, garlic, salt, lemon, rosemary, and chicken thigh fillet. So start with cutting the lemon, then mince the rosemary. Then put the rosemary in a bowl and add lemon zest. Grate the garlic and add some salt. And I also like to add a lemon juice. Finally, add olive oil and give it a whisk. Now add the chicken thighs and allow it to marinate for as long as you have. So whether that is an hour or 2 hours or a whole day, you can do whatever works with your schedule, because to be quite honest, I don't always have a lot of time to allow my chicken to marinate, but I find that it usually works out fine with this recipe anyways. Put the marinated chicken thighs in a skillet or in an oven-proof dish. So I like to add the remaining marinade to the chicken and try to spread the herbs out a bit, because otherwise it will burn and we don't like burnt pieces on our chicken. So for an extra hint of lemon, I like to add diced lemon in between the chicken thighs. And to prevent the lemon from burning in the oven, I'm brushing them with a little bit of olive oil. Bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. So after about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven, I take the skillet out of the oven and I pour the liquid back over the chicken. Then I put it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. And I find that whenever I do this, it comes out of the oven with a nice brown color. And there you have it. It is very simple to make and it tastes absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comment section how you like your chicken. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.